Hello, I am back with part 3 of my little series where I make my childhood memory junk journals from start to finish. And today I am going to start putting my signatures together. I just went through my stash and collected a whole bunch of papers and book pages and whatnot to sort into 2 piles, and my goal is to put at least 20 papers or 20 pieces in each signature, which will, because I'm going to fold them in half, that will result in 80 pages, which is a good amount. But since I only have one signature and I have an inch wide spine, I'll see if I like the amount or if I'm gonna add more. It also depends on how much other stuff I can find. So I haven't counted these yet, so I will see. Okay, so I have like from a little old book. I bent open the staples and I got some pages out. Actually, I have 4 of them. So, and then I have some coffee dyed paper and some regular coffee dyed paper without any patterns, and I printed it's gonna be folded in half, or maybe like this, and I printed I have purchased some vintage coloring book digital files on Etsy, and because they're just black and white, I thought that looks really neat printed on coffee dyed paper. And this is actually a page from a Peter Rabbit coloring book. And then this one is just writing paper on coffee dyed paper. And then I also have another coloring book digital file, and these are all like this image, this one, like there's a whole bunch of like tons and tons of images in that one file. It's a PDF, but I copied the images and then I put them in Adobe InDesign and sized them down or scaled them down so I can have I'm gonna trim this so I can like fold this so we have pages. I did the same for both of them. Then I have these old pages. I love these images. Oh. And then I have these are from an old catalog that I got at the gigantic antique mall in the barn, and it happened to have a couple of pages. It has like kids' toys and strollers and stuff. So I thought, hey, for children. I mean, this journal is not for children, but it's childhood memory, so maybe someone grew up with this or that, or I don't know. Then I got my Sears catalog, and I grabbed 2 pages with kids' clothes from way back when. I have regular coffee dyed paper. I have the lined school paper. I got some pages from my Black Beauty book, and my old Life magazine had these ads or whatever they are. Yeah, ads. So yay, I was excited because they're toys and they're from the 50s, so perfect. And then I also have some authentic scrapbook paper. This is the calendar collection for May, and comes with 3 pages or 3 sheets of each design. So I decided maybe I'll cut some out of those. I like those. And then I also have one of my many little golden books. I'm sorry, I'm losing my voice and I don't know why. And I thought I may take some pages out, or I'm gonna use the images. It's so adorable. Very cute. Okay, so all right, so I think first I'm gonna fold the papers like the ones that already have the correct size. And then I'll make 2 stacks, and then I'll just sort them. Alrighty. Today it's really cold in my craft room. I'm not sure why, because I mean we've had colder evenings, but maybe it's because it's windy out. I don't know. I'm just frozen. I have my space heater on under my desk. My feet are cozy, but my hands are frozen. So, and I'm wearing several layers. Okay, this one I have to cut. These, I'm gonna put a hinge in there with washi tape. This one is still intact, but I'm still gonna reinforce it because it's gonna fall apart. So these go on a special pile, and these I have to trim. These are already folded. Okay, so let's do all the special ones real quick. I wish I had the originals, but I don't. I try to use a lot of original things in my journals, but sometimes I just don't have a lot of them, so I think it's okay to use some digital papers. In my opinion, as long as it's like a good mixture, it's fine. I mean, everybody can do whatever they want. Some people do journals only with originals. Some people do journals only with digital kits, and that's totally fine. I just like a little bit of both, because I feel that makes it more unique, because it has authentic old stuff in them. Okay, so got these lovelies, and I mean, whoever gets the journal, they can actually color these if they wanted to. They don't have to. I was gonna cut those edges off. Playground equipment. Wow, 46 bucks. Cool. Oh wow, this was only $13.50. Let's see how big this is. Oh good, that's perfect. So if I cut this, I can still use the whole thing. Very nice. What? Is that deluxe auto seat? $3.50. Wow. This one's gonna be smaller because I tore up a little more. Oh, that tricycle is cute. Speaking of tricycles, so my daughter is getting more active, and she's going through her terrible twos now. So I'm always trying to find new things to distract her and keep her busy. So I was like, hey, I can buy her a tricycle and we can practice using that, because she has a little car that she sits, like a plastic car she sits on to drive around, but she can't, like, it just goes straight. And she gets frustrated when she gets stuck on the wall or the couch. So I thought I'll get a tricycle, because then she can, like, decide where she wants to go. Well, I know she has to learn it first, but I bought the smallest I could find in the store, and it was so cute, and everybody was like, oh, it's so cute. Well, I bring it home, my daughter still this too short. I'm like, no, she can't. When she sits on it, she cannot reach the pedals, or she cannot reach the ground. So she sits on there and goes like, and she gets so upset and frustrated because she can't do anything. And I feel so bad because she wants to do it so bad. I'm like, no, that wasn't my intention. Poor kid. Ugh. Oh, I don't want to cut a whole bunch. Oh, know what? I might do it this way and do 2. Yeah. Because if I do it this way and cut it to the size, I'm gonna lose a lot of those images. Not happening. Okay, so let's do it this way and cut it in half. Same with this one. And over here it has the ads. Elsie's Good Food line. Alrighty, so let's put those in my trimmer. Yeah, so I put the tricycle in the garage for now until she's a little bigger, because I don't want to frustrate her more than she's already frustrated. So these are 14 inches, so I'm gonna trim them at 7. This time I'm measuring correctly. Not like yesterday when I tried to measure and then it was wrong. Uh-oh, I'm sorry kids, I cut right through your faces. Oh my, okay. So I can, unfortunately this doesn't have toys, it has fly fishing poles, so I guess if you grew up fishing, that could be a childhood memory too. Okay. Oh, perfect. So get one of those. Oh, wait. I want to split them up so they... Let's do these 2 and let's do these 2. I'm just going to fold those. Oh, I did it wrong. Okay, it doesn't matter. I was gonna have this on this side, but it doesn't matter. I should have flipped those. Okay, getting a good pile here. So now, gotta measure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, that should work. So if I, oh. It's 9 by 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5.5. That's a bummer. I would have to cut off some of the images. Well, that's okay. Good thing they have this big border. 5.5. Let's do a little more than 5. Well, 5.5. That's okay. It still looks nice, and it didn't cut any text off. So, woohoo! We didn't lose too much. Did I have another one? Oh, I did. Here, we're gonna cut off a little more. Wait, didn't we just see this guy? Oh, yeah. It looks like it's the same image, but flipped. Like, it's a mirror image. 5.5. Ooh, I don't want to cut the puppy's ears. Sorry, puppy. That worked. Don't have to cut those, but I have to tape those. Let's see. Have any tapes that are fun? Like a white one? Uh-oh, oh no! Ugh, I just dumped them all. Oh, I like this one. Okay. Oh, how far? How? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ooh, okay, I'm gonna trim those first because I don't want to trim them on one side only. No. I'm gonna put the tape here. Okay. What is, something is in here that keeps messing up my cut. Or maybe I have to, nope, it's always up here. I don't get it. Change my plate. Well, there's a whole bunch of paper and dust in there. Alrighty. Okay, so just cut this off. Now, I think I want to use a different tape. One that's not so colorful. Don't I have the school paper tape somewhere? Yeah, I do. This one. All right. So, and the way I usually do it, I just line them up. Like I line the pages up on one of the lines on my cutting mat. And then I'll just put tape on it. Oops. Okay, scissors. So putting all the signatures together is probably not super exciting to watch. But you guys wanted to see beginning to end. So, and then one more. Yeah. Yeah, I think if I need more pages in my journal, I might get some from my 50s kids books. But I also want paper that you can write on. So, I don't know yet. Oh, that's really a big gap. Well, too late. Okay, so we got these two. And now we can start putting our piles together. So there's 1, 2, I can put 2 here, 1 here. I am not even in the frame. Then this gets 1, this gets 1. 2 and 2. Oh, this is the one with the kitties. And then the other one gets, what do you do with the other one? Oh, here we go. Gets the other one and gets one of these, one writing paper, one of those, regular coffee dye paper, and then patterned coffee dye paper. Okay, so let's see how many we have. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I gotta cut this one too. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, I need 6 more. So this one should have 14 as well. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay. Ugh, we need 6 more. Okay, but let me cut those school paper things first. Okay, I gotta check my blade. Maybe it's dull. I don't know what I did with my other one. If it's thin paper, it'll tear it, which I don't want to. Oh, phew, that worked. And then we need maximum of 8.5. Goodie, and then one more. So what I usually do when I make my signatures, I just go through all my stash and just look like for different papers, book pages, and like all kinds of things that I would want to use. And then once I have everything, then I'll start folding them and putting them in piles, like if I make more than one journal. And then I start to once I have all of them, I start to organizing them, because if I have big and small pages, I alternate them, or if I have a lot of coffee dyed paper, I alternate them with other pages, so it's not just like beige and then here in the front is like lots of color. And then I also need one that will be the signature cover. So maybe this one because it's pretty, or maybe this one. I don't know yet. We'll see. Let's just go with this one for now. So I would do one beige one, maybe a colored one, and then a bigger one. And I mean, I will still be reorganizing and shuffling them as I add more. Oh, see, these are both small, so I want something bigger in here. Okay, so, but like I said, I still need at least 6 more. Because right now it's not filling a lot. Obviously, once you start adding ephemera, pockets, and tags, and all kinds of things, this will get more chunky. But I still want more pages. So now I'm going to try to align the other, organize the other ones similar. So we got this one, and then we have one of those little pages. And they don't have to be the same, but for now, I'll just organize them the same way. And we have this book. Black Beauty. Regular page, one of those ads, this one This one. This one. Another ad. And then we do this one. And this one. Okay. So at least we got these all squared away. Just to, oh yeah, I haven't put anything in there yet. I think I'm gonna go with the red though. Okay, and now I also have this book. It's my book house story time, and I thought I can use some of those pages. Let's see, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I would have to trim them down quite a bit. Maybe I'll use some of those, and I'll make a hinge. The turtle that who could not stop talking. Whiskey Frisky. That's not too bad. Oh. Okay, so I need 2 more. Okay, and I'm gonna use some of those images. Okay, so that just adds 1 more, which I need 6 more. Maybe I'll just use some regular paper. I have like the marbled paper. Okay, so we need 5.5. Let's trim. Yeah, that should work if I trim it right there. Uh-oh, I cut it too close. That's all right. Is this too tall? Yeah, it is too tall. Actually, I can cut more off at the bottom. Or a little bit on the top. Oh, we're already at 8.5. Huh? Yep, okay. Okay. So, ooh, I already got the digital kit from Line.Arrow that I will be using for my design tip project, and I'm so excited to show it to you guys. I have to print it though, so sometime the next week or so I'll share what I got. I don't know yet when I'm gonna start though, because I still have time, because we're not doing anything, well, technically not doing anything until the middle of the month. So it's only the 4th today. Okay. So glue these together, or tape these together. I think I'm going to do this so I can put the tape over I really like this. Actually, you know what? Let me check what other tapes I have that are more like childhood stuff. Totally doesn't go with it, but I felt like using this. So, we're going to use a measuring tape. A measuring tape. Yep. And I'm not too concerned about the, like, which page comes first, because this is page 47, this is page 92, so they're not in order anyway, or next to each other. All right. So what are you guys working on? Are you making any fun stuff? Actually, I can flip this over. Sorry, I'm not good at small talk. Just looking to get this straight. Okay. Got one done. And the next one. So I have the day off tomorrow, and I'm wondering if I should go to our local antique mall or no. I probably shouldn't, because I will just buy more stuff that I don't really need. Because my room is full and I have a whole bunch of boxes on the floor from stuff that I received and stuff that I still have to put away. So, oh my gosh, maybe I should organize my craft room tomorrow. Yeah, I think I'm gonna organize my craft room tomorrow rather than adding more stuff. Okay, so now we got one more. I'll just stick this in here for now. So 15. 5 more. Should we use some of these? But I kind of don't want to cut these up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I would have to cut half an inch off. Maybe I can cut a quarter on each side. That's really cute. Oh my gosh, I love this bunny. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, well, that's not what I was gonna do, but hey, here we go. I was just gonna get the staples off. Do any of you make little golden book junk journals? I have started one, and then last Christmas I made my December daily was one, but I never finished it. So yeah, I thought I was gonna get into little golden book junk journaling, and I think I had a video a long time ago where I actually won an auction on eBay. I have never ever bid on anything on eBay before, because I just used to buy now, or I just leave it. So anyway, I won a stack. I think it was like 30 or so little golden books. Some old ones. So now I have them, and I'm like, well, I'm not really using them. Ugh. Which, that wasn't like my goal. I thought I was going to use a whole bunch of them. Okay, so usually you take these apart differently, but it didn't work the way I wanted it to. Oh man, I remember this image from my childhood, childhood memories. When I was a kid, we had some of the, even though I grew up in Germany, but we had some of the American little golden books, and I remember this so well. Oh my gosh, I love memories. Okay, so let's see which ones can we trim? I would have to cut half an inch. Man. Oh no, I have to cut more because these are wider than. These are now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A little more than 6.5. So I have to trim an inch off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5.5. Okay, I can do that. these are glued. Oh, so cute. Maybe I'll use this one. Oh, there's more. Nope. I'm gonna use these two. And then I still need 4 more. Okay, let's see how much we can trim off on the back without cutting into any nice images. 5.5. So if I trim a little bit on the front, yeah, ugh, hurts me. So now we're at 5 3/4. That's not too bad. Okay, we still have most of the, yeah, we still have all images. That's perfect. Okay, let's try to do the same thing here. Oh, I don't want to cut this bunny down there. Let's see how much I can trim off on here. Hope I didn't hurt anyone. Nope. Ooh, barely. Okay, so now let's see how much. I still gonna have to cut off his hand. Oh well, I'm sorry, bunny. I amputated your hand. Okay, let's do one more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. Okay, do I have any other washi that's cute? I keep forgetting to use these ones that I bought on Amazon. Oh my gosh, I have yet to use them. Huh. And lemons? I'm gonna go with flowers, I think. Oh, that's gonna look weird. Oh my gosh, now I have to make up my mind again. I'm sorry, guys. You have to watch me make up my mind what washi tape I want to use. Hey, there's another one. Let's do the music one. Okie dokie. This was the outside. No, that was the inside. Okay, I think once I have this one, I'm gonna stop the video because I have to go through my stash and I'm not sure what other pages I will find, but I will show you in my next video before we start doing other things. I'll show you what pages I added. Come on. And then this one. That's fine. I also had, I think, 2 or 3 new subscribers today, so welcome, welcome. We're very thankful that you guys are here, and I hope you will like my videos. Okay. Ugh. Done. Alrighty, so now I only need 4 more. Stick these in there, and these in there. Okay, so yeah, like I said, this is probably a little boring, this video, because all I do is fold papers and stick them in my books, but that's part of making a journal as well. So I think that's it for today. Thanks so much for watching, guys. It's getting a little late, so I gotta go to bed because I'm tired. I hope you all are doing well, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!